Hello everyone and welcome to another session of TikiLIVE Help Desk. This time around we're going to be showing you all the wonderful aspects of our HLS Channel Manager and how it can be used to create your very own IPTV network. On our last video we took a brief look into the Channel Manager while setting up a stream via a set-top box. Now we're going to take a more in-depth look. With the HLS Channel Manager, users are given multiple choices of what they're able to do, including having the ability to build unlimited scheduled programming for playback on devices such as a Roku set-top box, our own white label set-top box, Flash, Silverlight, as well as HTML5 compatible players including iPhone and iPad. The layout is displayed in a linear schedule format, similar to a TV or a DVR, giving the similarity of watching cable television. With this you're able to virtually start your own TV station with unlimited channels, again being able to stream to multiple devices or just the web. The Channel Manager is a great tool to use when setting up digital signage like we did in our last video. This feature utilizes an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface that makes the whole process simpler, and with the on-the-fly integration, users can update their data in a snap through a simple click-and-drag option. Plus, with the cropping editor, you're able to trim and edit your content in your timeline for just the bits you want. From there, you're able to take the content, insert it into a playlist, and even drop additional content between clips to be used as an advert so that you can monetize your playlists. When assigning your newly created playlist, you may also loop your content for continuous playback without any breaks. This gives you the ability to stream 24/7, if you so wish, playing into the capability of creating your own IPTV network. Now we're going to show you a demo of how you can use Channel Manager in all its various aspects. To access Channel Manager, you'll want to log into your account and navigate to the left side of the page and click the tab named Channel Manager. Here you'll have three options to choose from: My Playlist, New Playlist, and Assign Playlist. We'll start with New Playlist. Here's where you enter the playlist name. It can be anything you want to label your content. These buttons here allow you to edit the playlist details so that you can add a description, and this one toggles to full screen. Here's where your videos are kept. All the content that you have in your media library should appear here. This is your video timeline. This is where you'll drag and drop your content so that it can be displayed into your playlist. It's simple as just clicking the content, dragging it, and dropping it onto the timeline. These are the tools you'll use for editing. There's the drag and drop item is the mouse, slice item is the scissors, and the preview playlist is the play button. Slicing items can be used to cut out unwanted content and to keep the ones that you only want. To do this, you select the option, hover over a clip, and then click where you want to slice it. You can either delete this part or insert something in between it. This button allows you to preview your playlist. This allows you to zoom in and out of your timeline to view it in a smaller or bigger view. When you are done, click Save. Next, you'll want to assign your playlist. To do this, you would go to Assign Playlist. Here you can organize how you view your playlists. You can do it by title or last modified, as well as search for your playlist. To assign it, you're going to want to find the playlist and hover over it. You'll have three options: Assign, Edit, and Delete. Click Assign. Here's where you can choose the channel that you want to add your playlist to. This is the timeline for your video feed throughout the day. Something like this means that you have playlists set to play already at this current time. Here are the details for the already set playlist. When assigning a playlist, you can choose to start from publishing time, or you can choose to start it from another date and time. You also have the option to publish it in an endless loop so it'll keep playing once it finishes. The endless loop option is also what is used when creating a playlist for set-top boxes. Then you have the option to continue by assigning another playlist to this channel. Once you've put in your settings, click Publish Playlist. To view your current playlist, click on My Playlist. This is where you can view all of them that you have created. Click the Expand button on the side to see the details. It shows you all the channels that it's published to, as well as the date and time that it will be viewed. After saving a playlist, you have the option to go back and edit it, and then quick assign it to any channel you'd like. This can be found at the bottom of the page. And that is using the Channel Manager on TikiLIVE. So in a wrap-up, the Channel Manager allows users to publish their video and audio into playlists while integrating ad inserts for monetization. It's fairly easy to use. The drag-and-drop interface makes one of the simpler tools for editing, scheduling, and streaming, and simpler leads to easier. It provides you with the ability to stream to multiple devices like mobile phones or tablets for portable viewing, a Roku or white label set-top box for in-home DVR-like viewing, or simply through a web browser. You're able to organize and manage your content into playlists, whether it's standard or high definition, and schedule events for playouts so that you can be live even when you aren't online, giving you a more sound stream. This has been another informational session from the TikiLIVE Help Desk on the HLS Channel Manager. Visit our site for more information and look for more content coming out soon.